Hi friends, this video shows how you can add checkbox in Google Sheet cells. So let us say in this column you want to add checkbox. For that you have to select that cell and then sorry, and then click on insert and then click on checkbox, and then checkbox will be inserted. So you can also drag and drop, so it will autofill, so you can have multiple checkboxes as well. And apart from that, you can also insert the checkbox by going to data and data validation, and there here you have to select checkbox. You can also use custom value true false like that. And you can see its value is showing as true here if you check it, and if you uncheck it, it will be written as false. So that's how you can insert checkbox in Google spreadsheet. Thanks for watching this video.